It's been a while since I've done the like live at the table style video. Main reason being I just ran out of ideas. There's only so many ways I can go, oh, look, this food I can't cook, what is this? Before it just gets boring. So recently, I've been binging on YouTube just a bunch of like science YouTubers, just a bunch of science videos, and it's given me the itch to do some sort of science experiment. Problem is, I don't know science enough to know what would be a fun experiment to do. So, I basically just searched Amazon and found this. Kaboom! Science experiments for, what is it, ages 8+. Well, I am definitely plus, so we're good there. 25 experiments, 36 page activities, lab guide, blah, 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 blah. Basically, just a bunch of kids' science experiments. I figured I'd go with kids' science experiments because I'm a fucking idiot and I'm sure even the 8+ ones I'll screw up in some way. Now, I'm not going to do all 25, obviously, because this video would be really freaking long. I narrowed it down to 7 that I think will be at least somewhat interesting, especially because a lot of them, it's like, it says explosive combustion science lab kit. First of all, most of it's not combustion. Second of all, most of it's not explosive. Like, a lot of them, one of them is like, put M&Ms or Skittles in a dish of water and watch the color radiate off. Ooh, fancy. I don't know how that's explosive, and it's extremely boring. So I cut out all of those, and I chose 7 that I think should be something. I don't know. I'll probably screw them up, so we'll see how they go. All right, got safety first. Gotta get the goggles. Oh my God, those are so small. I mean, obviously they're intended for a kid, but oh my God, they immediately just started crushing my face. Luckily, I got these from a one-off terrible joke fucking 3 months ago or whatever it was, 4 months ago. I am ready to do science. I don't have gloves. Do I need gloves? I'll read and see if I need gloves. So the first one that I want to do, I tried to organize these from like most to least exciting. I do need gloves. Why do I need gloves? What am I doing that needs gloves? I'll be fine without gloves. I do need oil and vinegar and hot water. So I have the 30 milliliter of water, 10 milliliters of vinegar into the large measuring cup. Done. Could also add some droplets of food coloring. Well, I sure got that. Let's do red. I haven't done red yet. By the way, I don't think I mentioned it. Where's the fucking thing? I don't think I mentioned it. This one's called Magic Potion. So that's exciting. All right, a few drops of food coloring. And then about 40 milliliters of oil. That's a whole lot of oil. It also didn't tell me to stir this at all. So hopefully we're good. So there we go, all the oil at the top. Let me lift this up for the camera. Yeah, that's a mixture. It sure is. Now add to the oil with the plastic spatula. Oh, this shitty thing. 2 spoons of sodium bicarbonate. This is, from everything I've looked forward to, this is the star of the show. Literally everything is just throws sodium bicarbonate into a mixture and watch it do things. Which I don't think is really combustion, because it's just kind of like reacting and releasing carbon dioxide. I mean, it's fizzing. Was that the entirety of the experiment? Just like, put it in, it reacts with the vinegar and it fizzes. It is actually fizzing a lot. It is actually reacting a decent amount. Let's get a better view right there. I'm gonna be honest, that's going for way longer than I thought it would. It's actually not a bad experiment to start with. Oh, I can read the thing a while. I can read what it does, what it is. Sodium bicarbonate moves slowly in the oil until reaching the vinegar. Here it reacts with the acidic acid of the vinegar, giving off carbon dioxide. Is this the acid that creates the blah, blah, blah. Yeah, so it's just the sodium bicarbonate interacts with the vinegar. Cool. I'll just leave that over here. See how long it reacts for. It does look like it's basically slowing down though. All right, what was it, 18 was the next number? I don't know why I'm asking that out loud. Not like you guys fucking know what I'm doing. Birthday cake sparklers. Oh, this one actually does seem like it could be interesting. I need aluminum foil. Well, that's another thing you didn't give me. Right, foil. This one's also probably the most dangerous one in this because I'm me and should not be trusted with fire. Why do they have this entire thing, this entire bag for just the candle? Like, I know you need to like probably want to have it separated so it doesn't like combust or anything. That's still going, that potion. But like, oh my God. But why such a big bag? Why does it need to be so big? Okay, we need iron powder. That's the iron powder. Wooden spatula. I don't know why we need the wooden one. Oh, there's not a lot in here. I mean, I guess this is the only experiment it's used for, so you don't really need a lot. Why am I using the wooden spatula then? I'll just pour it on the fucking thing. It smells weird. I don't think I've ever smelled just straight iron before. Oh, I need to light the candle, for which I will use the other thing I bought from Amazon. I gotta turn it on first. That is high pitched, but it should work. Maybe? Yeah, there we go. All right, so basically this is just dump iron powder onto the candle. Okay. And then, yeah, the iron combusts, reacting with oxygen and doing things. I don't know why the aluminum foil's needed. It's basically used as a delivery device, but like I could have just poured the iron powder onto the candle. This seems extremely pointless and a waste of aluminum foil. Oh, we got some sparks. We got some. It's happening. Kind of. All right, that one was way less exciting than that one. Which it's still going a little bit, not near as much, but it's still chugging along. You know what? I'm just gonna use my hand. I'm just gonna use my hand. That's probably a stupid idea, but yeah, there we go. That's that was disappointing. I mean, look at the goddamn picture that they give. Oh, let me do that so I don't burn myself. But look at the goddamn picture. It shows so many goddamn sparks. That wasn't even close to what I got. I do have hot wax on my table, so that's something. I guess I got that from the candle. All right, now we're getting into the potentially fun ones, and by potentially fun, I mean after I prep these, I'm gonna need to go to the bathroom to test these because they could actually be loud, and I have to go to the bathroom because that's the only central room in my apartment. Every other room is adjacent to like neighbors, and I don't want just random explosions going off next to my walls. So this next one, let me sort of read off the experiment. It's called Fizzy Bombs. Basically mix a bunch of stuff, citric acid, table salt, sodium bicarbonate. If you look at the picture, you're supposed to get two nice just balls of chemicals that you then let dry overnight, and then you throw them in water and they react. So I had to make these yesterday because they have to dry overnight, and it didn't go well. So instead of two balls, I got that. I just got a tub of hard stuff. So there's two areas where this could have gone wrong. One, it says table salt. I used the sea salt that it comes with, which is the same chemicals, but maybe they needed the finer salt for some reason. I'm not entirely sure there. The second area where it went wrong is not my fault. So this is supposed to react with water. Well, step 7 says, which is after you make the mixture, says with your gloves on, wet your hands and collect small amounts of the mixture to create little balls with your hands. So you're wetting your hands, meaning you're basically giving it a way to react. Yeah, the water started causing it to react in my hand. So I don't know if this is going to be able to react. The thing that sucks is if it doesn't work, this is used for one of the experiment I was going to use as the finale. So I really hope this works. So if this doesn't react, this experiment's a wash, and I'm going to need to come up with some other way to do the other experiment. Probably just use the chemicals directly. Don't make this weird fizzy bomb kind of thing. If it does work, then I'm good. All right, you know what? That worked pretty well. Hold on, let's get the sound. No, it's still going. So I don't know if that's gonna be enough reaction to do the last part, but I'm gonna try it. If it doesn't work, I'll just wing it. It is still going, so that should be fine. Okay, so that was 3 experiments. Now the next 4 are loud. So I need to prep them here, and then the final step needs to be done in there. Okay, the first one, I just need to fold a piece of paper. This one's boring. It's just loud, and I want to see if it's anything like the commercial they had on the Amazon website, which I will play here. So basically, they make it seem so exciting. Essentially, the idea behind it is you hold the outside corners and then you like flick it and then it grabs the air. I think I did this wrong. I absolutely did this wrong. What did I do wrong? Oh, was I flicking it the wrong way? I think I was. But yeah, you hold it here, you flick it, the air gets caught and it compresses and boom. But I don't think it's going to be anything near as exciting as the ad showed. The second prep one, if I can find it, I know is more fucking origami. So this one is a mini bomb of water. Basically, it's not really a bomb as much as it is just like folding a piece of paper so it's able to hold water without the water falling out, then throwing it and having all of the water just fly out. I can take this off for these. Oh my God. How do scientists wear those for so long? It's just hurting my head. Oh, it gives me multiple pieces of paper. Cool. So I can make more of these if I want. Well, let's just make one. Fold the sheet of paper as illustrated below. The illustrations are god awful. All right, it doesn't look like a bomb. I need to, oh. Okay, that actually didn't work out too bad. I don't know how well it's gonna hold once I try to put water into it. Can the funnel work? No, I'm just gonna need to carefully pour water. All right, so I'll do that later. That is the first bathroom experiment. We'll see how exciting this ends up being. The other 2 are gonna be way less work. Let's move that out of the way. They're gonna be way less work because it's all chemicals, but they're also gonna be a lot more exciting in my opinion. This one, explosive bag. With a large measuring cup, pour hot water. Fucking all this hot water. Why do I need the large measuring cup? It just says fill it a quarter full. That's not hard. Now add vinegar. So fill it a quarter with water, quarter with vinegar. Why does it say to do, also this says hot water. Does it need to be hot water? Because if that's the case, I might do the perform the other one first, and that way this one's basically ready. Nah, let's just do the hot water. All right, we got our bag of water and vinegar. Also, I like to point out this says ask an adult for help. I probably should, because I know this one's supposed to explode, so I know I'm gonna I'm gonna screw this up somehow, and it's gonna be bad. Didn't think this through. I can't really put this down easily without it falling. That's good enough. Now this says to use a cloth. I'm just gonna use a paper towel because I don't know if there's any reason to use a cloth over a paper towel. But I need to add 6 spoons, wooden spatulas, so it's not really a spoon, of sodium bicarbonate. This is a lot of sodium bicarbonate. I might be doing like heaping spoonfuls, and I don't think that's what it wants. So I'll leave it there. That was 6, but the last 2 were like wimpy. Fold it so the sodium bicarbonate stays inside. Done. Folded. We've got a paper towel filled with sodium bicarbonate. Nice. So basically, what it is, I just open it up, throw the sodium bicarbonate in, seal the bag, and then throw it into the tub in this case, because it's going to explode, and I don't want it to explode like all over my bathroom. And then the final thing is the mini rocket. So I need a small measuring cup with a lid that's in here somewhere. Hello, lid. Lid, where'd you go? I know I saw you yesterday when I made the fizzy bombs. So got the small measuring cup with the lid, and I need the fizzy bombs, scissors, warm water from tap, the water I don't need right away, and a napkin, which I can get when I'm actually ready to do it. Step 1, personalize the rocket. So here's the problem with this. It gives you a sheet of stickers. These stickers are not perforated in any way. How the fuck I can't just like peel the stickers off. If I try to peel it, it'll peel the whole sheet. So I'm expected to get scissors, cut out the stickers for you because you were too lazy to perforate them. Fine, you know what? I'll try it. All right, that's the top of the rocket, I think. It's not worth it at all. This is a fucking nightmare. Also, I don't even know how this is supposed to work. Peel it and then it just like turns into a cone. Also, did I do the one that's meant for like, no. It doesn't say use a large measuring cup. It does use the small one because the large one doesn't have a lid, but the top looks... What the fuck is that? Should I have cut out the small one instead? What? You know what? Fuck it. There we go. There we go. That is a much, much better decoration. All right, so now we got a rocket, I think. Is that it? Because everything else is fill it with water, put a napkin over it, put the fizzy bomb on the napkin, put the lid on, turn it over, and run. So let's see if that works. All right, now we need to move over to the bathroom to do all of the explosive ones. Let's go. All right, so I'm sitting here next to my tub. I have all of the things around that I need. First things first, let's get this shit out of the way, because this one is not gonna be exciting. I'm not even sure if it'll work, because I don't really understand. Oh, I didn't bring the book. I didn't bring the book. I can't read the explanations. Oh, it can't tell me to ask an adult for help. Okay, so I hold it like that. And then the idea, no, that's absolutely wrong. What am I doing wrong? I ripped it. Okay, hold on. Yeah, that's not working. Let me get the book. That's supposed to, hold on. Hold the phone. Did I do something very wrong? What the fuck are you showing me? What is this movement supposed to be? I can't even like, what are you telling me to do, book? Because it's saying hold this corner and pull something, like pull from here through? How does that, what do you want from me? Hold that and then, All right, that one's a wash. So let's just get on to the reason we're in here in the first place, which is all the explosions. So first, the water bomb. All right, so we got the water bomb. Do I just... It said about using the small measuring cup, but I feel like that'll take too long, and I don't think it'll help. Have you seen me try to pour out of cups before? Or pour into cups? Out of cups? Out of cups. Oh, well, this just got soggy. All right. Strangely enough, trying to put water all over, inside and all over paper just made it soggy, but it is still filled with water, so well, I can't say I'm surprised, but I'm still somehow disappointed. So maybe it would have been better if I was not in the bathroom. You couldn't really see the water splat out. If I was like out in a parking lot and you could actually see the splat, maybe it would have been better, but that super disappointing. I'm glad I did that one as the first like explosive experiment because there's no way that was gonna be good. Now, do I want to do the rocket or the vinegar? Because this one I'm confident will work. The vinegar and the sodium bicarbonate. This one I'm confident will work. So do I want to do the rocket? No, the rocket should work. The fizzy bombs worked, so I feel like that should be fine. All right, so this one, I can't go handheld because I'm gonna need both hands. Let me move the tripod closer. Putting my camera in the splash zone for this. There we go. There we go, it's in. It's, is it expanding? I think it's still expanding. Did it stop? It's supposed to explode. That doesn't look explosive. Oh, there we go. There we go. It's starting. Are you kidding? It's so close to exploding. It's like right there. It's right there and it won't. Oh my God. That is solid. It is so close to bursting. Gotta say, this is a little disappointing. This one looked like it was gonna work. And it's right on the verge of working. It just refuses to finish it off. Yeah, I think me shaking it up, it makes fizzing noises, but I think it's more of the, like, along the lines of shaking up a soda, where it's just putting the carbon dioxide back into the liquid, so it's not actually making more. Fuck. I was really hoping that would work. I mean, it did expand. All right, so I guess I can just get the rocket ready. All right, so the only napkins I have are these My Little Pony ones that are from like 5 years ago. Okay, that's probably way too much, but that's fine. So it expects us to put a piece of fizzy bomb. I don't know, that's not gonna fit though. I need to break that up more. Okay, so that's good. Where the fuck is the thing? So I have the fizzy bomb just sitting on top of it. I close it up. So I close it up. I can't close it up. All right, so I thought these experiments would be better, but oh, there we go. I heard a snap. This side? Yeah, we are good. We are good. Now let's tear off some of the excess so we can see what the fuck's going on. All right, so snap this back down. So we got the rocket, which kind of got squished, but you see the fizzy bomb just sitting there. And if I do this, it's reacting. Jesus Christ, that scared the shit out of me. I wasn't expecting it to actually work. Oh, I didn't even get a close-up. We need to do that again, because I didn't even get a close-up because I didn't think it was gonna work. Especially not that fast. I'm actually gonna try to freehand this. So we got another fizzy bomb in here. I'm gonna put it right next to right next to where the other one was. So I have a good starting point at least. Godspeed, Duke! Oh no! Oh no, it didn't work. It's escaping out the sides. You can see right there. It's escaping. That's not what we wanted. All right, so this one, I think I'm gonna skip the napkin. I'm gonna try to I'm actually gonna have to remount this. My plan is I'm going to still get a good shot, but I'm going to just try to do it quick. I'm gonna skip the napkin and try to just do it quick. I'll put it same spot, but the idea is that I should just be able to drop it in, pop it on. I don't know if I can do it quick enough. We'll see. I only have a couple more chunks of the fizzy bomb yet, so let's drop them all in. That was so pathetic. All right, so the first time worked great. Every other time didn't go well. You know what? I think that honestly that is probably the best ending that could possibly happen for this video. So much went wrong. I don't know whether part of it is the instructions, like especially for the fizzy bombs, the fact that they didn't say round, the fact that, I mean, I guess they worked. It does seem like the instructions were not written by a native English speaker. There are a lot of just grammar mistakes in there, like basic grammar mistakes. So I'm guessing it wasn't a native English speaker. So some of these could have gone wrong because of that. I think a lot of them went wrong because of my own incompetence. But you know what this means? I went through some of the 8+ ones, the age 8+ ones, the rocket sort of worked, the fizzy bombs worked. I think I'm ready to move on to bigger science experiment. So if you have any idea of one that I should do, let me know. I'll also try to search for some that won't destroy my apartment because I have a limited amount of space to actually do this in. Anyway, for now, I'm just going to end this video here. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.